Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Roblox tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your profile picture, which is your profile avatar on Roblox. Very much simple and easy. If you are using a PC, you just need to stick with me. You are going to grasp the concept on how to do this. So you can see I have it opened in my interface here. So what I need to do is just tap on the more here. So on the more section, they will bring me to this page. So here I move to my profile here. Good. So on my profile, you can see this is my avatar here. Okay, so I've closed it. But just like I said in my previous videos, you can tap on your profile to change your display name and your username on Roblox if you have this Roblox for changing the username. So to change your avatar, you just need to tap on that here. It will take you back to customization of your avatar. When you tap on that, so you tap on that, you can see they've brought me here. So with this changes, I need to pay with the Roblox 70 whatever. So you can change it to any of them. You can see it's been changed here, and here they are saying I need to pay 70. So once I have that amount of balance, I'll be changing my profile avatar to this. I can even customize it here by tapping on it. You can see it has been changed. So I don't have this Roblox on there to perform this customizations and then save it, but that's how you go with it. So if you think you need to change your avatar, you then proceed to purchasing a Roblox and then you do that in your account. So that's it on how you can customize or change your avatar or profile picture on Roblox. That's it. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.